Hello everyone! In this simulation, we're going to see how a cyclist ride a bike in order to win a race. You can see in this figure that the cyclist changes his position in a way to be more streamlined. However, previously when he was riding to the mountains, he was sitting in this position. But in a race, he sits in such a position in order to decrease the contact area and thus decrease the friction, allowing him to increase his velocity. This is a great trick. The racers know the laws of physics. The pedal force here is set to 300 newtons, and this curve here shows a mountain bike ride at 300 newtons. We're going to click Go and watch the new curve develop. So obviously, there's a difference between the two curves. The green one is the graph that was produced when he was riding a mountain bike. And the purple one is for the current run, which is the position of racing. Compare the new graph with the previous one. What do you notice? Yes, for the same pedal force, which is 300 newtons, and while changing the position, the velocity becomes greater compared to when he was riding a mountain bike. This is because the friction force decreases, and because he reached a higher velocity of about 11 newtons. So the take-home message from this simulation is that whenever you want to win a race, try to reduce the contact area with the air resistance, and thus, for sure you'll be a winner.